Hey everybody, how we doing tonight? Welcome back to Heads Up Sports Cards. This is Mike, and we are live for the opening of this month's installment of the RC Explosion Box by our good friend Filmington. Phil, thank you as always for putting out such an amazing product. Great lineup. You guys know that obviously we do a lot of breaking over on our Facebook page and in our Facebook group, but I rarely get to open packs for myself, and the RC Explosion Box provides me such opportunity, so always grateful and thankful to have Phil and the RC Box to do some ripping. So let's go on ahead. Excuse me. All right. Open the box and let's see what we have this month. If you checked out Filmington's YouTube channel, he does the pack lineups every month on the 13th of the month. And these are the packs. And look at that. I actually got it right and remembered what volume we were this month. 51 already. Wow. We have 2019 Topps Update, 2022 Bowman Draft Jumbo. Let's go. 2022 Topps Chrome Sonic, 2022 Topps Heritage, and 2023 Series 1 Jumbo. There's all Filmington's information. You can check him out there. YouTube, Instagram, and the website where you can try, if you're lucky enough, to get a box for yourself. So let's go ahead. Let's remove the peanuts. Doesn't look like there's any bonuses for us this month. No golden tickets. That's too bad. There we go. We'll empty out all the packing peanuts. Here are those packs again. 19 update, Bowman Draft Jumbo, Sonic Light, 2022 Heritage, and 2023 Jumbo. So 5 packs this month. It is definitely quality over quantity. And let's go ahead. We'll start with Heritage. Of course, looking for Wander, O'Neal Cruz, and a little Lars Nootbaar. Maybe some variations and stuff. Let's see what we got. I don't know, maybe a high number. Whit Merrifield, Giancarlo Stanton, Altuve, there's Ohtani. Base Ohtani. Tyler Wade, Bregman, Danny Duffy is a high number, short print for the Royals there. Harold Ramirez and Yusei Kikuchi. So not much going on there, but tough pulls in that one. We have 2022 Sonic. We'll be looking for a Goldschmidt or a Judge out of this. We do have a Ray Wave, so that's cool. We'll take that. There's Brian De La Cruz, rookie. Alek Manoah. Trout. We take Trouts. Kyle Muller, rookie. And the Ray Wave is going to be Justin Turner. To the face. Justin Turner. There we go. New Red Sox. Right. Couple harder products, but at least we got a parallel in there, and we got a Trout. So next is 19 update, and again the rookies in here. We have Austin Riley, Vlad Guerrero, debuts of Tatis, Brian Reynolds, Louis Arias, and Tommy Edman. David Robinson. Mike Ford, rookie. Nick Hundley. Wilson Contreras, All-Star Game. Got to have a George Springer, as we know, in every Topps break. Ramil Tapia. Andrew Kinsner. Justice Sheffield, rookie. Josh Fuentes, rookie. Nathan Eovaldi. DJ LeMahieu, All-Star Game card. Rookie combos of Kyle and Kyle. Kyle Bird and Kyle Dowdy. And Trent Thornton, rookie. And our insert is going to be a family business. Corey Seager, giving him the family business. All right, now we get to the big boys. Series 1. Adley, Michael Harris, Gunnar Henderson, Riley Green, Miguel Vargas, Vaughn Grissom, Tristan Casas, Brett Beatty. Vinny, do we have the relic? Looks like we have the relic. Take that. Oswaldo Peraza and Corbin Carroll has a relic, or has an autograph, but obviously we have the relic, so we will not see Corbin Carroll. But we will see a plethora of rookies. So let's see who we got. Nick Prado. Jonathan Aranda. There's a Michael Harris. Take that one. Oswald Peraza. Mike Yastrzemski, and after Yastrzemski, Steele Walker. We've opened enough of this to know the flow. Hunter Brown, nice rookie there for the Astros. Davis Martin, rookie. Jeter Downs, bing bang. Everyone loves Jeter Downs. There's a Wander, Future Stars, and a Riley Green rookie. The nice one there. Liover Peguero rookie. Solid rookie pack here for us. And now we are to the stuff. Alright. The relic is there. So we'll go 88. Hunter Green. And dealing aces, or all aces, Randy Johnson. Base. We have a silver, Josh Naylor. And let's see if we can catch the number here. Advanced stats, all right, of Nick Pivetta for the Red Sox. So that'll hit the PC. 208 out of 300. And our relic, it is an 88 for the Yankees, Anthony Rizzo. Very nice. All right, it's a little relic hit. Game used mem, Rizzo. Take care of everything here real quick before we get into the Bowman draft. And for all the guys that are hanging out watching the RIP live on our Facebook group, just as a reminder, I said it during our prison break, but we'll have Bowman's Best hobby box tomorrow for our break of the night. So stay tuned for that. And here we go, Prism Draft. Let's go, baby. I have had very little success with Prism Draft in the packs that I bought for myself, and I think that trend is going to continue. I don't see a thick one. Oh, we get some blue paper. All right, we'll take some blue paper. We'll take some blue paper. Here we go. Jason Chourio, Andrew Pintar, Emmanuel Rodriguez, Dominic Keegan, Daniel Cueva, Nick York. There's a Jackson Holiday, so we'll take that for sure. Even on the paper. Tovar, Lamp, Veen, Brooks Lee, nice one there. Hunter Barco, Henry Davis, William Kempner, Denzer Guzman, Daniel Vasquez, Gabriel Rincones, Logan Tanner, Dominguez, Mikey Romero, and Marcelo, and Daniel Beavers. And we'll just flip that to the back. Chromes, Hunter Barco, and Jackson Holiday Chrome. Very nice. I'll definitely take those. Jared McKenzie. Seriously, Colson Montgomery, Nazir Mule first, Asen Morabel, and Quid Priester Henry Davis on the blackjack insert, and refractors first of Logan Tanner, and not a first of Pedro Pineda. All right, so we are down to the final card of the RC Explosion box. Not too bad a box. Definitely have had much worse. But these are always a fun rip and always a great value. So here we go. It is not a first Bowman. It is a blue paper of Zach Veen for the Rockies. Not too bad. 107 out of 150 on the blue paper. If you're going to get not a first, a top prospect is what you want. So there we go. All right. I'd say that's a successful RC Explosion box. Thank you everybody for hanging out, for watching. If you're watching on the YouTube channel, head on over to the Facebook page and check out our nightly group breaks. And until the next time, guys, for all of us here at Heads Up Sports Cards, this is Mike, and I am out of here.